Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is Sunday, 30th August 2020. So in this video we'll discuss for the next week what are the important levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also we'll discuss two stocks for positional trading. Right? So straight away we'll go to the Nifty weekly chart and we'll see. So this is the Nifty weekly chart. If you see the weekly chart of Nifty, it is giving decent momentum from last couple of weeks. In my previous videos also, I explained the market is in upward movement. Don't go for short. It is better buy on dips only. So I explained several times in my previous videos. If you see, you can understand why I am telling the market is going up. The simple reason is the trend is up. The trend is up. If you see on a weekly candles, every time it is making high. It is not breaking on a closing basis the low of the previous week. See, from here, 19th June onwards, it is making high only. So it is not breaking the low of the previous week candle. So on a closing basis. So that's why I'm telling the market is in upside only. So where it will go next is a high probability of testing 12,100 and 12,250 zone. So this is the weekly supply area. This may be tested in maybe 1 or 2 weeks time. Right? So our target should be like this. So if the market goes up and up, so it may test 12,000 and 12,200. So that 200 point zone. So there I will take out all my profits. I am long in Nifty futures. So whenever it touches out 12,000 or 12,100, there I'll take out my profits, and my trailing stop loss is below the weekly low. If the weekly low closes below this week low, that is 11,410, so then I will get out of my long positions. So that is a simple strategy I am following. So with that we can make good decent money on a positional basis. So for the next levels also we have to see on a daily chart also, where we will get some resistance for the. So this is the weekly chart. So there is small gap area. This gap area is also almost filled and given a upside breakout, and there is no hurdle in between 12,000 and 11,600. So there is a high probability of testing this level. One should be cautious, only keep a trailing stop loss and ride the trend. Okay, so that is for Nifty. And if you see the weekly range of the Nifty as per the volatility calculations, a Nifty total range for the coming week from Monday to Friday, the higher side 11,935 and the lower side 11,358. So as long as Nifty stay above 11,358 on a daily closing basis, that is the momentum is upside, we have to buy on dips only. So that is a simple strategy for Nifty. Now we'll see Bank Nifty also. First we'll go to Bank Nifty and see on a weekly chart. Friends, this is Nifty Bank Nifty weekly chart, right? So it has given a decent breakout at 23,200 and moving further upside. So the problem here is 25,700, because this is the 61.8% retracement of the previous entire fall from 31,600 to 16,100. And now the price is retracing on a weekly chart, on a weekly basis, and it is moving upside. It is consolidated couple of weeks here. During this time the Nifty is up only, but Bank Nifty is consolidated and given a decent breakout. So weekly breakouts will give you a decent momentum to the stock or index, whatever it may be, any financial asset where we are analyzing. If any weekly breakout, that breakout will give you a decent momentum. So after giving breakout of 23,200, it already went 24,500. See how much is the difference, almost 1200 points rally from 23,300. Now this rally will continue to test 61.8% retracement, that is 25,715. So we'll see this level has got any resemblance in the daily chart also. So this is the daily chart. So it has given all breakouts. Now if you see, there is a supply area from 25,670 and 26,200. In this zone, near to this zone, this 25,715 in this zone only. So 670 and 26,000, in between 25,700 is the 61.8% retracement. So normally the traders will take some profits here. So here there may be a pause, maybe halt, or maybe small correction from here. So this level we have to observe carefully. If we are in long position, we have to take some profit here. Okay, so that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as usual, every day I am posting in my blog the daily levels for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty. Already posted for the Monday trading levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. A simple strategy to make 100 points profit in Bank Nifty, 20 points profit in Nifty. That blog you can check it up. That is www.markettrader.in. That I'll display also. Okay. Now we'll go and see two stocks for positional trading. Friends, this is ITDC. So if you see the technical levels, it has given a fall from 345 to 104 rupees and retracing this fall. If you see, this is the consolidation at 50% and 38% to 38.2% retracement levels, and it is given a breakout at 61.8%, that is 253 rupees, and closed above that level. So we have to observe this stock carefully and we have to enter in a better price. Now it is 262, maybe small dip on Monday or Tuesday, that can be bought. Around 255 kind of levels we can buy, and we can aim for a target of 295 and 300. So 300 is our target, and if that crosses, it may test 345 also. So we have to take a positional view on this, and we have to buy for positional only. Maybe 1 month or 45 days it may take time, but we have to buy and keep holding, and keeping a stop loss of at least 3 to 4% you can keep as a stop loss, and aim for to 10 to 15% as a profit target. So the simple thing is, you make maximum stop loss not more than 5%, and aim for 10 to 15% or 20% profit for this particular stock. So you have to wait until our targets to reach. Okay, this is one stock. Another stock is NOCIL, NOCIL. Friends, this is also a breakout stock on a weekly supply. On a weekly supply zone, it has given a breakout at 127. So this is the breakout candle. Has given a decent momentum after breakout. It is consolidating here. It may retest the breakout level, or it may come down to this candle low, that is 130 or 131. So that is the best entry. So 127 to 130, 3 rupees difference. That 3 rupees zone is a good entry point for NOCIL, and aim for a target of 165 to 167. So that is the target area where we can reach, keeping a stop loss of 5%. So aiming for a 15 to 20% profit, and we are keeping a stop loss of 5%. So that way we can trade NOCIL for a positional trade. This also may be 15 days to 45 days, wherever it may be. Whenever we reach our target, we'll take out our profits. So that's it, friends. Explain Nifty and Bank Nifty important levels, and also two stocks for positional trading. One is ITDC, another is NOCIL. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Give a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.